Okay, so with this video, we're going to go over step one. So again, inside Canvas, your early field experience or your lab observation hours are broken down into steps. And so there's 5 steps total. I've created this kind of structure just to make sure that you know you've completed the observation pieces in order. There are certain forms and certain steps that need to be completed first, second, third, fourth, fifth, etc. So in step one, there's really 3 key components. One is you need to get your criminal background checks and your applications going in the district of your choice. So from semester to semester, there are various districts that participate. You'll need to check page 8 of the lab manual and also refer to any kind of email communication I may have sent about which districts are participating for your particular semester. But that's on you. You need to do that yourself. So Mrs. Strange is a liaison, but she is not one that's going to fill out the application for you unless it's explicitly stated in one of those steps that she submits a letter on your behalf or something of that nature. But it is up to you, the student, to make sure you get that ball rolling with the application. So that's really step one, is starting that application process with the district and also receiving your background check with the district. A TB test is not required for these types of field observations, so you don't have to worry about that. Step number 2, again, just to reiterate, please make sure you go through the lab manual and you watch the orientation video, as it may provide more information than I provide you with these steps. So please make sure that you're checking all of your bases, you're watching these videos that I provide, you're reading through my steps. It's just very important that you're looking at all the information that's put out there. Inside that lab manual, and the link is provided here on this page at iws.collin.edu/child development. And so inside that lab manual, there are a set of forms. Some of the forms are Google Docs and some of the forms are in paper format. So if it's a Google Doc, it will automatically submit at the end. It'll say, thank you for submitting. For me, what you'll need to do is you need to take a screenshot of that thank you for submitting screen. And that's what you'll upload as proof that you did complete that step and receive credit for doing so. So anytime it's a Google Doc, you'll need to take a screenshot of that very last thank you for submitting page and upload that screenshot to the Dropbox located in Canvas. If you don't know how to do a screenshot, you can always take a picture with your phone, or you can look up the steps on how to do a screenshot in Google or Bing or Yahoo. It's very simple. So again, you can check those places on how to do that, or take a picture of that final one and upload that to Canvas. Any other types of forms that require signatures, for example, this liability waiver form that's completed in step 3, any kind of things that require signature, you're going to have to print that document and you're going to have to scan and submit. Please don't take a picture of those. It's very hard to print out. Mrs. Strange has to do a lot of printing of those documents and it just makes it harder on her. So please make sure any kind of form that you're scanning and submitting those and not taking pictures of those, as it's very difficult to read. So the liability waiver form is something that's required every single semester. So even if you've taken a class previously that's required it, you still have to do it again. And so again, there's a Dropbox available for that. Under each of these pages too, I've done some common questions that I receive. Please take a moment to read through those as well, as it'll probably answer many of the questions that you have.